Okay. 1 second. I was not in my chair.
Okay.
Okay.
Your
Hi.
leg's right next to me. That's cool. That's alright.
Okay, Kevin.
Go,
So
Puga.
this video we're gonna do right now is gonna be demonstrating how you can do an if statement with an or condition. So we're gonna do two conditions, one or the other one. We're gonna do my little program of basically being able to open up a bank account inside of my bank. So I'm gonna go ahead and let Mr. Kevin over here set everything up, the skeleton of the program, and our basic if condition is going to be if you either are over 18 or have $500, I will tell you that you qualify for a bank account in my bank. So Mr. Kevin can start typing in the variables needed for you to be yeah, for you to be able to play around with the if statement. So we first gotta tell them what we need from them. So go ahead and ask Mr. Kevin.
Yeah, I'm gonna just do an output asking them their age. So how old are you? And then so down there. And I'm just gonna get the input, and since this is gonna be for the age, I'm gonna use my variable age, which is an integer. So we'll do that, and then we also have to get our second input. So I want to know how much money they have. How should I ask that, Puga?
How much money do you have? I don't know.
Okay. How much
We don't have to be professional. This is just a
monies
test program.
do you got? So that's cool, because it has Z's in it.
Is that how it works?
Yeah, it's cooler with Z's. And so yeah, then we want to put this inside of our monies variable. So this gives we got the age, we got their money, and then now we can do our if statements. So we're going to do a simple one that Puga used the example earlier to see how they have to be a certain age or have a certain amount of money to open up a bank account. So to do this, we're going to test to see if the age is greater than 18, or, and that's the two pipes that we went over in the last video, or if the monies is greater than, what, 500?
Yeah, 500.
500. So one of these conditions has to be true in order to open up a bank account.
That the little greater than sign, if you can hover over it, that is non-inclusive, so it has to be bigger than 500. It can't be 500. It has to be bigger. Make sure you understand that.
Yeah, and we should probably, to keep realistic, probably include the equal sign for the age.
Yeah.
The money can be whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So now, if that is true, we can do a C out saying congratulations, you opened up a
You
new,
qualify, I guess.
or yeah, you qualify. You congrats.
It's a pretty iffy bank.
Yeah, you probably don't want to go to that bank. You'll never get your money back. So yeah, we have that statement. Is there anything else that we want to put inside of this if statement?
No, but we want to do an else. Sorry, you didn't.
Okay. So we gotta do an else, which is part of the whole block right here. So
once again, if you didn't catch that, each if can have an else, and each if can have an unlimited amount of else ifs.
correct. So else, so they didn't. This is where they don't qualify. So we can type in just regular C out saying that you're too poor for Puga's bank. Alright, too poor or too young for Puga's
Actually, it would have to be both, because this is an or statement.
Oh yeah.
You're too poor and too young to open
Yeah.
up.
Too poor and too young for Puga. Insert joke here.
Alright.
Alright, so then we got the else.
Return.
Let's do our return 0, and then let's close our main. So yeah, that's just another basic program that uses the if and else. So let's go ahead and compile it. G++. We'll I'm not gonna rename it, so I'm just gonna call that. And then I missed a bracket somewhere.
Gosh, Kev.
I'm horrible. I'm kind of confused on where I missed it.
29.
Though. Yeah, let's go check it out. 929. Oh, I already put one there.
And this is why.
Okay, so there we go. So now we're gonna compile it, and
oh yeah, and make sure that you put that / in front of your executable. Donna wanted us to mention that.
Yeah. So run it. So now it's gonna ask us how old we are. Let's first enter in a legitimate age that we want, and then how much money we got.
Do a legitimate money, so 550.
Yeah, I do have $999,500 something dollars.
That might overflow the int.
No, it's fine. And I qualify because I'm rich and I'm pretty young. So let's do
one where the age is true, but the money is not.
Yeah. Okay. So Puga's like 22, 21.
21.
Okay. And then Puga's really
no
poor.
money.
So let's see. He only has like 200 cents. Dollars. Oh, see that works because he's over the age limit.
Yep.
So that works. Now let's try to run another program or the same program, but put in requirements that don't allow you to.
Let's do one with the user is 5, but they have $550.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's 5, and then they have $550, and so that little baby, that rich baby, can get a bank account.
Yep, that's correct. It's either if one condition is true, the whole if statement is true.
So, using that logic, if we go $5 and $10, that's still a lot of money for a 5-year-old. But yep.
You're too young and too poor for Puga's bank.
Yeah. So.
Wait, that just says Puga. Whatever.
Yeah. That's why I said insert joke.
That's not funny.
All right. So yeah, that was just a basic if-else program that you could use to like just get some input and you can test it and stuff like that.
It also helps you see how the or makes the if statement a little bit different.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think that's enough for this video, and we'll see you again on
the next video. Peace out.